Hi everyone, this is Anti here. Monday past midnight. I just thought to do a quick recap of today's stock market, and I found it very interesting. The Dow Jones dropped almost 500 plus points. As you can see, it's just it tried to push back up, but it never did, and it's just flat right now. And as I say, I used the S&P 500. It was pretty ugly today. It tried to push that resistance up here, but it never crossed that dotted line right there. And it's dropped, go down all the way to here. And it's trying to push up again, all the way up, but it's just flat. And it looked like it's heading that back down again. So looking at this technical data here on this graph, I think it is going to be a pretty red day tomorrow. You know what causing the market to go down today is because the oil prices crashed, right? And keep in mind, people talking about how it's going to the negative barrels, and people make jokes about how we have to get paid for pumping gas, right? So it's pretty much someone have to need to understand that it's got to do with the contract, right? All of these producers, from this oil, they have a contract that let's say it's for this example today, it's expired tomorrow for the May delivery. So that means the sellers or the producer have to pay the trader to take the oil off their hands, right? So now we run across the situation of supply and demand when there's so much supply and there's no demand because nobody, flying anywhere, driving anywhere right now due to the shutdown. Despite the oil price have dropped significantly over the year, but if you look at crude oil, we use it daily, right? 47% for gasoline, 10% for jet fuel, and then 23% for diesel and heating oil, and 18% for other products such as plastic and the polyester stuff that we use around the house. As you can see, we still depend heavily on crude oil for the time being. WTI is a good stock to take a look at, $2.13. Exxon, I really like Exxon. It's a good company, paying 8% dividend at $41.84 right now. If it dropped to $32 or less, it's definitely a buy for me. And once the economy open up again, people need to drive to work. With gasoline, it's people have to pump gas, no doubt. So if you're using dollar averaging cost to start buying some of this oil company, you'll be glad. If you hold it for the next 2 years or 3 years, you'll be glad you did. Chevron is another good example. So that's my take on it. Always invest into long-term holding on good company, and you'll be fine. And as far as for tomorrow, Tuesday trading, I'm looking at the closing on Monday of the world market. It looks pretty red across the board. Asia, USA, South America, and Australia is all red. So I'm expecting the market is not going to be good tomorrow. And just be careful of what you're planning to do. If you're not sure, just be patient and sit out and wait a bit. I look at Mr. Warren Buffett sitting on $128 billion cash. Even him, he's not even certain of the market right now because there's so much uncertainty. With an expert like himself, he's not even trading at this moment. What about you guys? Would you consider buying some oil stock right now? Comment below. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.